there's a viable democracy within China is the two sessions. I mean, it's not simply that people come there and, you know, the party leaders say, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, and then everybody raises their hand and say, yes, we're going to. I mean, there's really a very intense discussion going on. And all these people at the NPC and the CPCC, of whom are not in the Communist Party, they're writing things about this should be done and that should be done. And these are all taken into consideration. They're discussed thoroughly, and then they're brought to the conference. I mean, that's a pretty active democracy. I think China's probably got a superior system at the moment to anything that we have in the West. And there will be new methods that will be tried in terms of developing democracy. China will do it its own way, and I think we'll do it in a way that suits Chinese culture and Chinese people best.